Oftentimes people refer to those with disabilities as being handicapped. Most of the time it is not that they are being rude or intentionally insulting, but instead have had a lack of education. Even those that do have disabilities sometimes refer to themselves as being handicapped. Unfortunately, the phrase, people with disabilities, is not yet universally accepted, and that is why not everyone is yet saying it. The disability rights movement began far before the American with Disabilities Act in 1991, but because of the media and educational system, the phrase has not yet come to be politically correct, such as other terms relating to ethnicity. Many people do not even realize that saying the word handicap is very derogatory to those who do have disabilities. About 70% of all people with disabilities in the United States are unemployed. Many people with disabilities feel that this is because of the lack of history pertaining to disability. People with disabilities deserve to be as equally treated as all other human beings. The educational system needs to focus more on the history of people with disabilities, the fact they can indeed live normal, productive lives, and be assets to our society.